When I see you up close.
Hi guys, it's Claudia from Sukin and I'm here today to talk to you about how much product you should be using in your skincare routine. The trick for getting the most out of your skincare routine is to use the right amount of product. Apply too little and it won't be as effective. But if you apply too much, it can make your skin greasy and could also lead to breakouts. For an eye cream, less is always more, especially because the skin is so delicate in that area. The size of a pea is enough for both eyes. An easy rule for our moisturisers is the size of a 10-cent piece and then apply it evenly across the face. For our cleansers and our scrubs, we can afford to be a little bit more generous. We recommend using a teaspoon size and make sure that you don't skimp on any areas of the face to give it a great clean. Serums are more concentrated than moisturisers, which means a little bit goes a long way. We recommend using 2 pumps, which is around the size of a $2 coin. I hope that was helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them below.